Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off X sensitive icon. So let's get into the video. Once you are in your X account, let me tell you something that X doesn't allow you to disable your sensitive content in your applications. So all you have to do is head over to your web browser and log into your X account in website. So once you're there, click on More and go to Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Privacy and Safety. Now you can see option Content you see in Decide what you see on X based on your preferences like topics and interests. And here, Display, you have to check mark the display media that may contain sensitive content. Check mark it. And another thing you have to do is go to Search Settings and uncheck the Hide Sensitive Content, as we want to see our sensitive contents on X. And that's it. It is updated and you will continue to see sensitive content on your X account. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.